Boom. This is the Surface Pro 11 Snapdragon X Elite Pro or whatever it's called. I've just picked it up now. I'm going to do a quick unboxing, nothing too crazy, no in-depth review. I literally just want to get the box open, show you guys what's in the box, and then we crack on from there. So without further ado, let me flip it. So the exact version I've got is the Snapdragon X Elite, 32 gigabytes of RAM, 1 terabyte of storage. So it's the maximum, like the highest spec one you can get. I just thought, let me just pick it up and I can just have the best one, be a bit more future proof. So I'm going to talk about the packaging quickly. It's simple. It's proper simple. They're trying to copy Apple as always. Everyone's trying to keep it as simple as you can. There's literally nothing there. It just says Surface Pro on the top there. And it's got some instructions on the back. Clean white box, as they say. And yeah, that's it. That's a little bit about the packaging itself. We're going to get into the box itself. And I'm going to rip this little thing here. All right. That's it. It's open. Oh, and it opens outwards. I thought it would have come off like the Apple boxes. It's got the little pull tab there, so I'll pull that, and it comes straight out the box. It just feels a bit smaller though. I thought it would be bigger. But yeah, the first thing you're greeted with is the Surface Pro itself. It's got a bit of paper on the front of it, as you can see on the big camera as well. I'll put that to the side. Let's see what else is in the box. So I think these are probably some documents. Let me have a quick look. Yeah, it's just some paperwork. Put that to the side as well. Then you are greeted with the brick, the charging brick, which is very small. It might be like 100 watts, you know. I'm gonna have a quick look. Let me open it nicely and carefully so I can show you. Excuse me if I sound funny, I've got hay fever and it's been kicking my butt, as the Americans will say. Right, so this version was supposed to cost over £2,000, but with some sort of student discount, I don't know where the student discount came from, it came down to £1,900. It's a 39-watt charger, so that means even my phone charger should be able to charge this this device. Cool. Next is the plug. It's a normal 2-pin looking plug. And I believe that's it, you know, there's nothing else in the box. Really, really simple. Now, I would have shown you the type cover, but I didn't bother to buy that because of the way I'm going to be using this PC. I'm basically connecting it to a keyboard, connecting it to a mouse. Everything's external, big monitor, all of that. So I just needed this bad boy. Right, off the jump, it feels nice in the hand, man. It feels really, really nice, really solid. I'm going to peel off the paper so we can have a look at the lovely screen. Just love that unboxing experience, man. It's actually really, really nice. Quick device tour. I'm sure you guys already know. I don't need to go through this. You've probably seen 1,000 videos, but yes, it's got the OLED screen. It's got the lovely kickstand, which is exceptionally smooth to pull out. I've pulled it out. It's got a camera on the back. I'm not sure of the megapixel. I'll do the research and I'll slap it on there. As I said, this is supposed to be a very, very quick unboxing video. Already I'm getting the fingerprints all over it. But yeah, initial impressions, it feels pretty heavy for a tablet. You know, I've got a Samsung tablet a lot lighter than this, but then again, this is a computer. It's a proper computer. So yeah, it's got the 2 USB-C, I'm sure they're like Thunderbolt or something on the side. It's got the Surface connector there. It's got the connector for the keyboard underneath as well. And I think that's it, you know, camera on the back, microphone on the back, camera on the front, dual microphone on the front. It's got the Windows Hello as well. I've been watching videos, so I know about that. And yeah, it's got the 2 speakers on the side. What else can I tell you about this? Right, so my understanding is that this here is to allow you to expand the storage. I don't need to expand the storage. I've got the 1 terabyte. I probably will get 2 terabytes later, but that's for later, not for now. I'm very happy with it. It's got the little Microsoft logo there. not too much logos everywhere, nice and clean. And I'm really, really looking forward to this product. Stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, and look forward to the next one because I'm going to be making a lot of content on this device, off this device. Catch you in the next one.